Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can log into Beanstack and access some of the resources there in order to figure out what books your children may be reading and also log some of the books they have. So to begin, the easiest way to access it is to go to our main site www.ypl.org, and going through the summer reading link, we're going to be able to easily get to the Beanstack portal that is for our library system. So in this case, it's going to be showing here Yonkers PL, beanstack.com. And in this case, you can also favorite this just so that you wouldn't have to go through YPL just to get here. And to begin, you're going to want to go to login on the top left, right? And we're going to then sign in. Hopefully you already had registered, and if not, there's a tutorial to do so. And then when you sign in, you're going to have this little drop down. In the case that you're a family, either it may be just one account, but if you are, in case, multiple people in the same account, you could then select the reader or the person that you wish to log hours for. And in this case, I'm going to go to Adam's account, and in this case we can see his main page, or we have his challenges and what they entail. So in this case, he is in 3rd grade. Well, he's going to be in 3rd grade this fall, and then you can check out the books, or really what we call the badges, that he would need to read for this case. So in this case, he's actually read A Walk in the Woods. So then how would I then log this? Well, I'm going to go over to log reading and activities. So first I'm going to have to go to complete an activity, and I'm going to click A Walk in the Woods, and I'm going to hit this check mark and add a response to then denote that he has actually read this specific book. And then going back with this arrow here, once again, we can then go to log books, and we're going to say that he read it this Friday. And I'm going to put in the information. I'm going to hit that, and then if he would like, he can also add his own review. And then we're going to hit log into reading, and if he had gotten the drop down here, we can then write a small review. Then we're going to hit save, and thus then this review would then be submitted. And in this case, we're then going to want to hit the back arrow to then take us out of this page, and then we would go back to his main area, and then we can also see what badges and tasks he's completed, so you can see what he's read. You can also see the reviews he had submitted here, and also the reading log, which actually brings up a little calendar. Now if there is another reader in the family, you can then hit the drop down, and in this case Lily, and then we can go to her feed and her version of the page, and then do the same thing up here. And thus this concludes this tutorial. Further questions can be addressed to staff, and hope this helped.